Are you struggling with Angular material and seeing an error that says it can't find the core theme? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and get your Angular project back on track. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you follow all the steps to set up Angular material. And yet, something still goes wrong. It can feel like you're chasing your tail, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently reached out, saying they installed the latest Angular Material plugin, added the import for the theme, but still encountered an error in the console. The error reads, "Could not find Angular Material core theme." Sound familiar? Let's find out what's going on. So what could be causing this error? It usually happens when the theme is not properly linked or if there are issues with the Angular Material installation. Understanding this will help us troubleshoot effectively. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with Angular Material, the user should first ensure that they have installed the Angular Material package correctly. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. Next, the user needs to import the Angular Material modules into their application. This is crucial for the components to function properly. They should add the necessary imports in their app module file. After importing the modules, the user should verify that they have included the theme in their styles. This is done by ensuring the import statement for the theme is correctly placed in the styles file. Finally, the user should check their Angular application for any additional configuration that might be needed. This includes ensuring that the Angular Material components are being used correctly in the templates. Fun fact, Angular Material is built on top of Google's Material Design, which aims to create a visual language that synthesizes classic principles of good design with the innovation and possibility of technology. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that if you're encountering this issue during testing with Karma, you should add a specific pattern to your karma.config.js file. This pattern includes the indigo pink theme from Angular Material. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests adding a different theme. They recommend using the indigo pink theme by including the line at import at angular/material/prebuilt themes indigo of pink.css in your style.css file. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution suggests that if you're using Angular CLI, you need to reference the theme file in your .angular.cli.json. Specifically, add theme/candy.scss under the styles property alongside theme/styles.css. Make sure you have a folder named themes in your project containing both styles.css and candy.css. This way, Angular CLI can locate your theme correctly. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution suggests adding encapsulation to your component. Specifically, include viewEncapsulation.none in the @component decorator to resolve the theme issue. If you're working with Angular Material in a .NET Core project, you can find detailed setup instructions at the provided link. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding the import statement directly to your style.css file. Specifically, they recommend using the import for the deep purple and amber theme. Alternatively, you can include a link to the indigo and pink theme in the head section of your index.html file. Here's that tip I promised. Always keep your Angular Material and Angular versions aligned. This simple practice can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the core theme issue in Angular Material. Remember, keeping your dependencies in check is crucial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.